She's Luna, she's Lala. She's Nanny. Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, hey play man, hey play man. And then my, you wanna go home? You only wanna hurt me like in my way. Bambu hola, bambu hola, bambu hola. Ah hey oh boy, ah hey oh boy, ah hey oh hey oh no, and then I hold my way, hold my way. Come no ho, ha do my ho. Have you ever tried it? Have you ever tried it? They are hula. It's a little wacky, but nothing like the hula. Yeah, the hula. Come try it. Come try it. Yeah, the hula. So how to wiggle, how to giggle, roll. And have a hula. Shake it over here. So shake it over here. Yeah. All around the island. Yummy. You'll be happy and yeah. I said, have you ever tried it? Have you ever tried it? Yeah, the hula. It's a little wacky, but nothing like the hula. Yeah, the hula. Come and try it. Come try it. Yeah, the hula. So how do we go on the shake it over here. And over there, all around the island. Yummy. You'll be happy again. And now at this time we need to call up our first hula dancer. You see him walking around with 2 popsicles in his hand. Yes, truly 2 popsicles in his hand. He is running for Oha office. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your guys' hands together for Kama Hopkins. As you see by the beautiful pop color, Hopkins for Oha. So when you vote this one, please vote for Kama Hopkins. Can